अस्सलाम वालेकुम बेटा। आज हम फर्स्ट ईयर की बायोलॉजी का पहला चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे और ये वो न्यू स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके लिए है जिन्होंने अभी मैट्रिक पास किया है। मीन्स वो पास हो जाएंगे और फर्स्ट ईयर में आ चुके हैं। तो फर्स्ट ईयर इंटर आपके लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है, इसलिए आपने इसकी तैयारी अभी से शुरू कर देनी है और वीडियोस को अच्छे से देख रहे हैं। नाउ फर्स्टली वी स्टडी द वर्ड बायोलॉजी। नाउ यू हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड द बायोलॉजी in ninth class. Biology is a Greek word which arises from the combination of the two words bios and logos. Bios means life and logos means study or knowledge. Now it means the biology means the study of life and formerly means पहले ज़मान में formerly the livings are classified into two kingdoms means पहले जब बायोलॉजी, आज तो दूसरे हैं किंगडम लेकिन ये पुरानी बात हो रही है। Now formerly the kingdoms are only in two kingdoms, now plant kingdom and the animal kingdom. Plant kingdom means include the study of plant, means the kingdom in which the study of plants are included or consist of the study of plant is called the botany, because the botany, now botany is arises from the botany means grass, and the animal kingdom means the study of animal. Now firstly we use the word of the topic means the animal kingdom leads to the study of the animals, or animal kingdom is deal the study of the animals is called the zoology. Now the five kingdoms are classified after this. Now formerly two kingdom, now when the it is modern, then the kingdoms are in five kingdoms. The five kingdoms are discarded the two kingdom, and the five kingdoms are classified by the different scientists. Firstly Robert Whittaker, and after this it will be modified by the L. Morgellus and the K. Schwartz. Now the five kingdoms are Kingdom Monera, Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Fungi, and Kingdom Plantae. Now fifth kingdom is the Kingdom Animalia. Now you understand by it there are the kingdom which are clearly shown by the name, means the kingdom kingdom fungi is only leads to the fungi, means those plant which are lack of the chlorophyll, means have not chlorophyll, and fungi are included in it, and the kingdom plantae only plants are included in this kingdom. And the kingdom Monera is the kingdom which is only for the prokaryotes. Prokaryotes means the only blue green algae and the bacteria are the prokaryotes. And instead of this, instead of kingdom Monera, all the kingdoms are eukaryotes, and we are also the eukaryotes. And kingdom Animalia means the study of only the study of the animals. And study of animals kingdom includes the multicellular eukaryotes organism, and complete, these have the complete nucleus. And in this the, now you know about these are the different classes, these are the different classes, animals are included in it. And here is the plantae means study of only plant which have the green color pigment is called the chlorophyll, and these are also the eukaryotes. Now we split the name of eukaryotes here, and now it is the, now we study the detail. After this, when you learn the or remember the name of these phylums, then after this we study the phylum. And now the phylum kingdom Monera. Kingdom Monera means the study of the prokaryotes, and prokaryotes have not complete nucleus or do not complete nucleus. Prokaryotes do not complete nucleus. And for example the blue green algae and the bacteria. And kingdom Protista. Protista includes the organisms, means animal like organism, plant like organism, and fungi like organism. Now it is an animal the study of the protozoans organism like the amoeba and the euglena. Protozoan means Proto means first and zoon means animal. Means first animal means unicellular animals. Means cannot be seen with the naked eye. They are seen only under the microscope. Plant-like means the plant-like the organism that having the chlorophyll and prepare their food by the process of the photosynthesis is called the plant-like. And these are the simple living organisms means include in the algae काई को कहते हैं. फंजाई लाइक स्लाइम मोल्ड मीन्स पानी का सड़ जाना एंड द वाटर मोल्ड यानी स्लाइम मोल्ड क्या होगा, कीचड़ का सड़ जाना, एंड वाटर मोल्ड पानी का सड़ जाना, ये इसमें आएगा. किंगडम फंजाई इंक्लूड्स द मल्टी सेलुलर नॉन ग्रीन थैलस थैलोफाइटा मीन्स हैविंग द थैलस मीन्स क्या है, अ यंग शूट phyton means plant, thallus means young shoot, and phyton means plant means phyta. Now it have very simple body called the mycelium. It have the cell wall and the body may be the cenocytes means common, sites means common box or the multinucleated. Due to the absence of the chlorophyll, they cannot be manufacture their own food material. Means fungi are those organisms which are lack from the chlorophyll, means have not chlorophyll, so cannot be able to prepare their own food material, means cannot be apply the function of the photosynthesis because chlorophyll is absent. But it have only the root like structure, so sucking water is the ability of fungi, and so therefore absence of the chlorophyll and the lack of the chlorophyll is called the fungi, and they cannot be prepare their food, and they take their food from the other organisms, and when they take food from the living organism then it is the parasite. If they take their food from the dead organism then it is called the saprophytes. Agaricus means mushroom and the yeast. After this plantae means we have already tell you the plantae means the only study of plant, means having the, because it is the eukaryotes, multicellular. Eukaryotes means complete nucleus. You means the person eating another. Parasite means, now it is the person eating another, it is the meaning of parasite. You means table, and karyotes means zygote, means it have the complete nucleus. And the complete plant, all plants which are we eat as a food are included in the plantae. Mustard, sunflower, apple. Mustard किसे कहते हैं, mustard brassica capacitor is like the mustard, and sunflower. These are the क्या, एप्पल्स. ये क्या है हमारे पास, फ्रूट्स हैं, सीड्स हैं, फ्लावर्स हैं. हम इनका ऑयल यूज करते हैं. Animalia have not the animals like us, means we are the multicellular, have not the chlorophyll, so cannot be prepare their food material, but take the prepared food material and have not the, now here is they do not contain the chlorophyll and have no cell wall, because we are the animals and we have not cell wall, but instead of it we have the cell membrane. Our cell having the cell membrane, and these are the name of the different animals. Hydra, water animal, earthworm, and it is live in also water, and the plants, insects, frog, bird, fish, man. मेन्स इंसेक्ट्स आर्थ्रोपोडा में आ जाएंगे. फ्रॉग किस में आ जाएगा हमारे पास, ये हमारे पास जो डिफरेंट क्लासेस दे रखी हैं उनमें एम्फीबिया है, ये एव्स में आ जाएगा. फिश स्पाइसिस में आ जाएगा. मैमल्स में आ जाएगा, जो आपने छोटी क्लासेस में पढ़ा है. अब आप इसे अच्छे से याद करेंगे, लिख के देखेंगे, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, वीडियो को लाइक करेंगे और वीडियो को शेयर करेंगे और कमेंट्स करेंगे. जो चीज़ आपको चाहिए या आपको नहीं समझ आई है वो आप पूछेंगे. अभी आप समझ लें कि ये 10th क्लास वालों के लिए था लेक्चर, यानी जो फर्स्ट ईयर बन चुके हैं उनके लिए है, और फर्स्ट ईयर में आप शुरू से मेहनत करेंगे तो आपको कतरा कतरा दरिया बनेगा। आपने अच्छे से याद करना है और इसे लिख के ज़रूर देखना है। जब तक लिख के नहीं देखेंगी आप इसे भूल जाएंगी। ओके, थैंक्स, गॉड ब्लेस यू। अपना बहुत ख्याल रखें और इसको अच्छे से याद करें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।